Hey, if you're thinking about switching careers into finance, or you just want to level up your money skills, stop scrolling. There's a shiny little link down in the description with your name on it, ready to give you a discount at the Corporate Finance Institute. Yes, CFI, the place where future CFOs, investment hotshots, and spreadsheet wizards are born. Alright, let's be real for a second. The job market. It's basically the financial version of Love Island. Everyone's looking for the one with the best skills. And you don't want to be the one left standing by the water cooler, right? That's where CFI comes in. Think of it as Hogwarts for finance. Except, instead of learning spells, you're mastering financial models, valuation, investment banking, and all that good stuff that makes employers go, "Ooh, tell me more." Here's the best part. Right now, there's a 30% discount on their self-study and full immersion plans. Are you a student? You get 50% off if you've got a uni email. So go check your inbox, dust off that student ID, and save big. And trust me, CFI drops discounts like confetti, especially on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So you want to grab this deal while it's still hot. Look, I get it. There are a million places to learn online, but CFI is all about practical, real-world skills. You're not memorizing theory for the sake of it. You're actually building Excel models, analyzing real companies, and getting job ready. Plus, you get industry-recognized certificates, like the FMVA, CBCA, and new FP and a specialization, that employers actually notice. And if you ever get stuck, the new AI tutor is basically like having a finance genius on call 24/7. And don't worry if English isn't your first language. CFI has auto-translated subtitles in Arabic, Mandarin, Spanish, and loads more. So whether you're looking to break into banking, switch careers, or just impress your mates next time you talk about discounted cash flows at the pub, this is your sign. Hit the link in the description, lock in your discount, and get started. Seriously, don't wait until your future boss asks, "Can you build a 3-statement model?" and you're Googling on your phone under the table. Grab your CFI discount now and power your career. Links waiting for you below. Go on, you know you want to.